Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the Google Class feature to your app. Log into your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Next, under the Edit, Test, and Go Live section, click on Edit. Now to add the Google Class feature, click on the Add Feature button in the sidebar. Then click View All and search Google Class. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you added the feature, you will see the feature listed in My Features section, where you can edit, customize, and organize the added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what all you can do with the newly added Google Class feature. Click on the pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from a library or upload your own custom icon image. Let's move to the content section now. In order to configure Google Class, you will need a Google Workspace admin account, which you can verify by clicking this link here. Next, you need to follow the simple steps to configure the Google Class feature. Let's move to the first step. For the first step, you need to upload Google Firebase files of your Workspace account. Upload JSON file for your Android app and plist file for your iOS app. You can click the eye icon here to refer to our tutorial for creating the Firebase JSON file. Once you created and uploaded the JSON file here, once the JSON file is successfully uploaded, you will see the confirmation text here. Similarly, click the eye icon here and refer to our tutorial for creating the Firebase plist file. Now upload the plist file here and you will see the confirmation text. If you want, you can also update the JSON and plist files by clicking here. Once you're done, you will be redirected to the settings section. Now scroll down to the Google Firebase credentials section and you will find your uploaded JSON and plist files. If you want, you can delete the uploaded files from here. Now let's go back to the Google Class content section and move on to the next step. In this step, you need to provide the web client ID and secret key. Click on the eye icon to refer to our step-by-step procedure for obtaining the Google Web Client ID and secret key. Enter the Google Web Client ID and secret key in the respective fields. Once you have added the credentials, click on Next. Now, this is the final step where you need to connect your Google Workspace account. Click on Connect, select an account, and allow the necessary access to your Google account. Just to inform you, the Connect account must be a Google Workspace admin account. If you want, you can also disconnect your Google Workspace account by clicking the Disconnect button here. Once you completed these steps, Google Class will be successfully configured. Here you can upload a login image, which will be displayed on the authentication screen once the users open the Google Class feature on the app. Now let's go to the Google Classroom backend and create classes for students. Log into classroom.google.com to create a class for the students. This is the Google Classroom dashboard. Click on the plus icon here to create a class. Enter the class name, section, subject, and room, and then click on Create. Here you can view your class information and customize the stream appearance the way you want. You can also generate a meeting link from here. This is the class code. Teachers can invite students to the class using this code. All the upcoming work will be displayed here. From here, teachers can post announcements for the students, enter the text, attach files or link, and click on Post. As soon as the teachers post an announcement, the post will be reflected on the student's app. From here, you can manage all the stream settings. Now let's move to the Class Work tab. From here, the teachers can create assignments and questions, organize classwork into units using topics, and organize the classwork. Next, click on People to invite students or teachers. Teachers can send an invitation link to the students from here. Similarly, they can invite teachers as well. Under the Marks tab, teachers can see the grades for each assignment. This is how the teachers can manage the class and other activities from the Google Classroom backend. Now let's go back to Appypie's Creator software and check other settings of the Google Class feature. Click this icon in the side menu to configure the CMS settings. In the CMS settings, you can add terms and conditions and privacy policy for the Google Class feature. Now coming to the language settings. Under language settings, you can manage all text alerts and messages showing up on the app. For instance, if you want the terms and conditions text to be displayed as TNC on the app, you can change the text from here and the required change will reflect on the app. Click on this color palette icon to change the page style and color scheme. From here you can set the page elements, color, and font size. Now let's enable in-app purchase for this feature. Click the in-app settings icon in the side menu, then under in-app settings, enable the in-app toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable in-app for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, click on the question mark icon here and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Once you're done, click on Save to save the changes manually or directly click the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.